Welcome, my amazing audience, to another episode of our journey towards self-improvement and empowerment. Today's topic is one that's close to our hearts: the art of making the right decisions in any situation, inspired by the timeless wisdom of Swami Vivekananda. So, buckle up, because today's episode is going to be a game changer. Before we dive in, let me share a powerful quote by Swami Vivekananda: "Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached." These words echo the spirit of determination, resilience, and the undying pursuit of our dreams. Now let's infuse this energy into our discussion on making the right decisions. 1. The power of clarity. Imagine sailing a boat without a destination. You'd be lost, tossed around by the currents of life. The same principle applies to decision-making. The first habit to cultivate is clarity. Swami Vivekananda once said, "Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Dream of it, think of it, live on that idea." So, my friends, start by clarifying your goals, values, and priorities. What truly matters to you. Define your purpose, and decisions will become clearer, aligning with the grand vision you've set for yourself. 2. The role of detachment. Now let's talk about detachment, not in the sense of apathy, but in the Bhagavad Gita's wisdom. You have a right to your actions, but never to your fruits. Understand that you can control your efforts, not the outcomes. By adopting this mindset, you free yourself from the fear of failure and embrace the learning in every decision. Remember, a decision isn't a life sentence, it's a stepping stone. Detach from the fear of making the wrong choice, and you'll find the courage to make the right one. 3. The Symphony of Self-Trust. Swami Vivekananda emphasized the importance of self-reliance. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Trust yourself. Cultivate the habit of listening to your inner voice, your intuition. The Bhagavad Gita teaches us that the true self is our best friend or worst enemy. Choose to be your best friend. When faced with decisions, take a moment, connect with your inner self, and trust that you have the wisdom within to make the right call. You are your most reliable guide. 4. Learning from failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of success. Swami Vivekananda's words, "The history of the world is the history of a few men who had faith in themselves," highlight the resilience needed on this journey. Think of decisions as experiments. If the result isn't what you expected, learn from it. Failure is not the end. It's a detour towards success. Embrace it, extract the lessons, and let it fuel your next courageous decision. 5. The power of now. Eckhart Tolle said, "Realize deeply that the present moment is all you have." Decisions are made in the now, not in the past or future. The Bhagavad Gita emphasizes living in the present moment, for it's where life unfolds. Avoid the paralysis of overthinking or dwelling on past mistakes. Embrace the power of now, make decisions with mindfulness, and let the present shape your future. 6. The heart-brain harmony. Our decisions often become battlegrounds between logic and emotion. Swami Vivekananda, in urging us to follow our hearts, emphasizes the harmony between intuition and reason. It's about aligning our passions with our intellect, creating a symphony of purposeful decision-making. So, my friends, listen to your heart's whispers, for within them lies the guidance that can lead you to decisions filled with authenticity and fulfillment. 7. Mindfulness in action. Let's delve into the Bhagavad Gita's wisdom on mindfulness. A person can rise through the efforts of his own mind. He can also sink through the same mind. This powerful insight reminds us that the mind is both the architect and the destroyer. In decision-making, cultivate mindfulness. Be present, observe your thoughts, and choose those that align with your goals. Mindful decisions are intentional decisions, paving the way for a purposeful and conscious life. 8. the fellowship of wise counsel. None of us is an island. Swami Vivekananda once said, "All differences in this world are of degree and not of kind, because oneness is the secret of everything. Seek the counsel of those who inspire growth, share your vision, and invite the perspectives of the wise." The Bhagavad Gita teaches that true knowledge is acquired through humility and a willingness to learn. Surround yourself with the fellowship of wisdom and let it be a compass guiding you towards enlightened decisions. 9. Embracing change and adaptability. Life is dynamic, ever-changing. Swami Vivekananda encourages us to conquer yourself and the whole universe is yours. Embrace the changes that life presents, for within them lies the opportunity for growth and evolution. The Bhagavad Gita speaks of adapting to the ever-changing nature of existence. As you make decisions, be open to the possibility that your path may take unexpected turns. The ability to adapt is a sign of strength and resilience. 10. Cultivating patience. In the rush of life, the power of patience often gets overlooked. Swami Vivekananda's words, "Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Dream of it, think of it, live on that idea," remind us of the importance of perseverance and patience. Decisions sometimes require time. Patience allows ideas to mature, plans to unfold, and the right path to reveal itself. Cultivate patience and you'll find that your decisions become more deliberate and well-timed. 11. The dance of risk and reward. Life, like a daring dance, requires a willingness to take risks. Swami Vivekananda's philosophy aligns with the Bhagavad Gita's teachings on the essence of action. You have a right to work, but never to the fruit of work. Understand that every decision involves an element of risk. It's stepping into the unknown, trusting that your efforts will yield rewards. Embrace the dance of risk and reward, for therein lies the thrill of a truly lived life. As we draw the curtains on today's extended episode, let Swami Vivekananda's words resonate in your hearts. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. The journey of decision-making is not a sprint. It's a marathon of self-discovery, growth, and triumph. Embrace the lessons, celebrate the victories, and remember, every decision you make is a step closer to the grand vision of your life. Thank you for being part of this extended experience. Share your insights,